Frequently asked question about life insurance. Ano ang difference ng primary beneficiary sa contingent beneficiary? Ang primary beneficiary, sila yung unang makakakuha ng claims or proceeds ng life insurance should something happen, katulad ng mawala or mag-pass away si insured. Usually, ito yung mga parents or siblings or kung married na, yung spouse and children nila. Sino naman yung mga contingent beneficiary na second in line should the primary beneficiary na biglang hindi sila available sa panahon na magkakaroon na ng claim. So, kailan mangyayari yon? When, for example, si insured and si primary beneficiary, they got into an accident. For example, plane crash. So, lahat nasa airplane sila and sabay-sabay nawala si insured and the primary beneficiary. So, typically, magkakaroon ng proceeds of course, and kung may nakalagay na contingent beneficiary, sila na yung makaka-claim ng proceeds ng life insurance benefits since the primary beneficiary is gone as well, kasabay ni insured.